How to download Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Ghost of Tsushima in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to download Ghost of Tsushima, you will actually need to have your Steam. After you do have your Steam, open it up, log in, and head over to the search bar. On your search bar, search for Ghost of Tsushima and hit enter. Now, since I am not in the correct region, I do not have the app here. So let me just head over to this page here. As you can see, this item is not available in my region. But if it is available in your region, this is what you do. So let me just choose a random game here. So let me just change this a bit. So let's say this is the game. All you have to do is add it to your cart. After you add it to your cart, simply head over to view my cart and then continue with your payment. After you do that, you'll have bought Ghosts of Tsushima and you can now play it. Thanks for watching. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.